Alright, so here's the deal. There are 6 kitchen and home gadgets popping off right now that you might want to keep an eye on. They mix smart tech with practical use, and some are just plain cool. Let's run through them. First, OGarden Smart. Imagine having a mini indoor farm right on your countertop. This thing grows up to 90 plants including fruits, veggies, and herbs, all with zero soil mess. It uses specially designed seed pods loaded with organic fertilizer and an automated watering system that can hold about 10 days worth of water. Plus, it has energy-saving LED grow lights that mimic sunlight. You just set it up, drop in a pod, and hit start. In about a month, you're harvesting fresh, pesticide-free produce year-round. Perfect for fresh food lovers who don't have space or time for a full garden. Next up is Renevv, a small countertop food recycler that solves the gross problem of kitchen waste. Instead of compost piles or smelly bins, this machine dries and grinds your food scraps into compact powder form you can store or reuse. It removes moisture and cuts down on odors, making it a cleaner, quicker way to shrink food waste. If you're someone who wants to be more eco-friendly but hates the hassle and smell of composting, this might be the gadget you didn't know you needed. Coffee fans, this one's worth a look. The SF1 Max GE. Marketed as the world's first machine that combines cold brew and hot milk foam in one unit, it's like your personal barista on your counter. A bright 6.8-inch touchscreen serves up more than 28 pro-level recipes, so you can experiment with espresso, cappuccinos, cold brews, and more. It's fully automatic but still customizable if you want to tweak settings. Keep in mind, this isn't the simplest single-button machine, it's more for enthusiasts who want variety and tech in their coffee game. If you're into tracking calories or just want to be more mindful about what you eat, check out the Qalzy AI Smart Scale. This thing uses AI-powered visual recognition to identify your food and automatically count calories without needing to enter anything manually. Just place your plate on the scale and it handles the rest. It logs nutritional info to an app and syncs effortlessly, making dieting and meal tracking way less of a chore. A smart upgrade for anyone who tracks macros or wants to make healthier choices. If kitchen mess and clutter are giving you a headache, then Chopbox, the all-in-one cutting board, is for you that does way more than chop. It's got a built-in scale for weighing ingredients, a timer for cooking, a knife sharpener to keep your blades sharp, and even a UV light to sanitize knives and cutting surfaces. It's fully waterproof and designed to replace several gadgets cluttering your counter with a sleek, efficient tool. Definitely an upgrade for home cooks looking to save space and stay organized. Last but definitely not least, the EdiBot by iCoffee, an edible food printer that lets you print detailed, colorful designs directly on lattes, pancakes, and other foods. Controlled with a simple app, it pushes out high-res prints up to 1200 dpi. Fancy some colorful latte art or want to put custom messages or pictures on desserts? This gadget makes it ridiculously easy. It's like bringing the artistry of a cafe barista and a custom printer into your kitchen. So yeah, gadgets that mix tech and practicality in fun ways for your kitchen and home. Some are serious upgrades, others are cool toys for geeks or foodies. Whether it's growing your own food, cutting waste, making better coffee, or printing food art, there's plenty here to spice up your daily routine. Which one would you actually use? Drop your thoughts below, and if you want a detailed deep dive on any of these, just say the word. Thanks for watching, we'll see you in the next video.